In today's video, I want to show you how you can actually use Telegram without a personal phone number. If you want to use Telegram and you don't want to use your personal phone number, I'm going to be taking you through the process of how you can actually use it. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up the Telegram app. So let's open it up. So once you open up the Telegram app, once you open up the Telegram app, it is going to take you to this page. What do you want to do under here? You want to tap on Start Messaging. So once you tap on Start Messaging, to ask you to put in the number that you want to use. So for this tutorial, we are going to make use of a temporary phone number. So how do you get that? You want to go to your Chrome browser. So once you get to your Chrome browser, I want you to go to quack.io. Quack.io. Once you get there, check the top right corner. You're going to see 3 lines over there. Tap on that 3 lines. Once you tap on the 3 lines, then you want to tap on phone numbers. Then you want to tap on free temporary numbers. So once you tap on free temporary numbers, then they will show you all the free temporary numbers that they have. So what you want to do on here, it's very simple. You just want to select the country that you want. Let's say we actually want let's say we want this country. Let me select any country. Let me just select Australia for something. Let me just select Australian. So once you tap on the number, it says Australia temporary phone numbers. So when I scroll down, as you can see, we have the phone number here. So what you want to do, you just want to tap on copy to copy this number. So once you tap on the copy on this number has been copied successfully. Then we want to go to I want to go back to our Telegram. So once you get back to your Telegram, you want to put in the number here. You want to change the country to Australia. Let's say Australia. Then put in the number here and tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, let's wait for that to load up. Then what you want to do is very simple. You can see we have sent an SMS with an activation code to your number. They just want to try and go back here. So you can see this is the number that we used. We want to refresh this page. Once you refresh it, just wait for the message to arrive. Once the message comes in, you want to copy the message and go and put it inside this place, and you'll be able to create and use this Telegram without needing your personal phone number. So guys, this is how you can actually use Telegram without your personal phone number. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.